whole re-education concept is working with kids in their environment and their families. The mental illness is not necessarily an illness, it's an imbalance in the ecology.
She lost oxygen during delivery. She was dying inside of me, and they thought they were listening to her heartbeat, but they were listening to mine.
I was elated. I mean, I was just like almost in tears at points, just, watching her do things and watching her face light up and watching the encouragement they give her, and she's just feeding off of it.
Profound change requires a profound intervention. We now know through scientific evidence that relationship is the key element in a therapeutic event that changes kids. It doesn't matter what approach you use. If you have a relationship, kids are going to grow. If you don't have a relationship, kids are not.